Have you been experiencing deep sadness, a strong sense of despair, and a feeling of hopelessness about your future? In these moments of deep sadness, journaling can be a gentle refuge. It offers a chance to explore and understand the complexities of your emotions. This exploration can be the first step towards finding more hope. Begin by expressing your current feelings honestly. There's no need for your words to be uplifting. Just write your truth. Begin by asking yourself, what are you experiencing right now? What thoughts keep repeating today? What emotions are you carrying? What feels especially heavy today? Your journal becomes a place where you no longer have to carry everything alone. Give your sadness a voice. Instead of pushing painful feelings away, become curious about them. Ask yourself, what is this sadness trying to tell you? What have you been grieving? What feels missing in your life right now? What needs have gone unnoticed for a long time? Sometimes writing helps you discover that your sadness have been trying to communicate something important. Notice recurring patterns. As you journal consistently, begin looking back at previous journal entries. Ask yourself, what situations leave you feel emotionally drained? What thoughts keep appearing? What themes repeat throughout your journal? What seems to make your sadness feels heavier? What moments help you feel even slightly lighter? Your journal becomes a map that helps you understand your emotional landscape. Reconnect with what matters. As you continue writing, ask yourself, what brings you even a small sense of peace? What values do you want to live by? What kind of life are you trying to build? What small act of self care or connection feels possible today? Journaling gently shifts your attention from simply surviving towards noticing what still matters to you. Notice the changes you might otherwise miss. One of the greatest gifts of journaling is looking back. Ask yourself, what has changed since you started writing? What strength have you discovered? What challenges have you already survived? What are you handling differently today than you were a month ago? Sometimes healing is so gradual that you don't notice it until you read your own words. Leave yourself with compassion. Before you finish writing, ask yourself, what do you need to hear today? What would kindness towards yourself look like? What is one small thing you can do for yourself today? Then write those words to yourself. Your journal becomes more than a place to express sadness. It becomes a record of your resilience, your growth, your insights, and the small moments of hope that slowly begins to return. Journaling doesn't force hope, it creates the space where hope has the opportunity to grow one honest page at a time. You don't have to carry the weight of depression on your own. Even if hope feels far away today, healing is possible. So join my 12-week trauma healing program. and take gentle steps towards reclaiming your life. Understand the root of your sadness and break free from negative thought patterns. Learn practical tools to manage overwhelming emotions with greater confidence. Rebuild your self worth and rediscover your inner strength. Find more hope, meaning, and moments of peace in everyday life. Heal in a safe, compassionate space where you don't have to face it all alone. You deserve support, healing, and the chance to believe in yourself again. The link to join is in the description and pinned comment. I'd be honored to support you on your healing journey.